This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra versus the Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro. Now the Note 20 Ultra, this one has the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, 12 gigs of RAM on Android 10 and on its latest version of One UI 2.5. Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro has the Snapdragon 865 Non-Plus, so just the regular 865. This one has 8 gigs of RAM on Android 10 and its latest version of MIUI or MIUI 12. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time here, see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G versus Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro, which also has 5G as you can see. Oh! The Poco F2 ain't messing around with the boot up. Wow, that was hella fast boot up. Gotta give props to Xiaomi on that one. And we are in! Alright man, let's just get into it. I'm gonna swipe over. These are the apps I'm going to be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna go like that. As you can see, no recent items on the F2 Pro and no recently used apps on the Note 20 Ultra 5G. All apps, caches, browsers have been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Note 20, messages. Note 20 again, the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder a little bit better. I'm gonna give the win to the F2 on that one. I'm gonna put both on video mode and I'm gonna leave it there. We'll see if it stays in video mode later on in the video. Clock. I think that was the note. Let's see, this is the stopwatch. We'll go ahead and fire this up. Leave that running in the background. We do have the calculator, the note again, Play Store, identical performance, but I think that was the note, a little bit faster. We'll click on, let's see, we'll click on this one. Whoops, my bad. We'll leave it there. Amazon, let's go. Identical performance. We'll click on this vacuum. We'll leave it there, and then we do have the eBay. And again, identical performance. Can't really tell, maybe the Note 20 Ultra by just a tiny bit, but not a huge difference. As you can see, overall, very smooth performance thus far on both phones. We do have Mario Run loading on both phones. A little bit ahead on the Note 20 Ultra. Tap to begin. A little bit faster on the Note 20 Ultra again on second step. And then we do have the Temple Run 2 here. Volcano Island. Oh, I think we may have a draw. We'll let this run, see what happens. Oh, very close. I think the Note 20 Ultra was a little bit ahead, but you guys slow down the video for me on YouTube. And then we do have the Subway Surfers here. Loading on both. And oh, faster on the left. Tap to play. And then we do have the Angry Birds 2. Let's check this one out. Starting up logging in on both phones. Oh, I think it's the Note 20. No, I don't know. I think this is a draw. I'm watching the hand. I think the Poco's ahead by just a split second. Again, you guys are the judges here. Asphalt 9. Game Loft. I think the F2 might be out in front, but we'll see what happens. Oh, very close. Again, can't really tell. You guys are the judges. And then of course, we have the PUBG Mobile. Tencent Games. PUBG Corporation. And what's happening right now? Loading on both phones? Oh, very close. I think that was actually the F2 Pro. The screen came up first on it. So we'll get rid of this. We'll get rid of that. Get rid of this. And then get rid of that. Continue, continue. And then continue again. Wow. And then click on that. Get rid of that. There you go. And then we do have Twitter. And then we'll give that to the Note IG. Note again, WhatsApp. Very fast on the Note. Again, this app is kind of wonky lately. Very fast on the Note, but it takes a long time depending on the device. I think this is the app, not the phone. So with that said, I'm gonna do this one again real quick, just to see what happens here. Go. And again, super fast on the Note, not so fast on the Poco F2, but take this one with a grain of salt. I think this is more the app and not the phone itself. Snapchat, a little bit faster on the left. And then we do have Chrome on both phones. We'll do a quick little internet search, Poco F2. Actually, I misspelled that, so I'm gonna do the same misspelling here, Poc F2. No, Poc F2. What happens if I search for that? Oh, it's just a phone, okay. Let's see, we'll click on, what can we click on? Here we go, we'll click on this Android Authority article here. Shout out to Android Authority. We'll pinch the zoom, no I can't, does not work. But the scrolling here on the fast display on the Note 20 Ultra, very nice. Makes the experience really enriches the experience. That's just super smooth compared to the Xiaomi here. It's not bad, you know, but once you see 120, you can't unsee it, and that's just really smooth. Let's go ahead and do a search for just one more thing, GSM Arena. GSM Arena, whoops, misspelled SM Arena. We'll click on the bottom result there. And then let's see, we'll click on this one. Flashback. Oh, check that out. Wow, look at that. Back in the day. We'll pinch the zoom, does not work. Nice and smooth in the scrolling. I mean, yeah, the browsing on either device should not be a problem, but especially with the Note, with a 6.9-inch display and a 120 Hz display, very nice to use on the web browsing. All right, let's take a look at the multitasking here on both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. On a side note, I do like the MyUI interface here with the app switching. Very nice, very unique here. We'll run through these apps again and see what happens. Now, the Note 20 Ultra does have a RAM advantage. It has more RAM, so can the F2 hang? Let's find out. PUBG is still there, okay. Looking good so far on both phones. And this one is just a little refresh, it's not a full reload. All right, and we do have the Angry Birds too. And a little bit of a lag here on the right, so maybe that's the difference right there, maybe. This is ready to resume, as you can see. You can play, no problems. Temple Run 2, and then you can resume here, as you can see on the Note. However, here on the right, the F2 Pro, it reloaded the game. So again, this has less RAM, this has 12 gigs, so that's the difference right there. And again, another reload here. You can continue playing on the Note, whereas here, another reload. Again, kind of expected this has less RAM. And then here, a little bit of a stutter on the right, Amazon. Same thing, a little bit of a slowdown, actually reloaded Amazon, as you can see. Play Store. Kept that in RAM though. Calculator, a little bit of a slowdown here on the right. Clock, still running the stopwatch. The camera, now remember, I put it in video mode. So what happens? Still in video, this one is on photo, as you can see. Messages, a little bit of a stutter on the right. Yeah, starting to slow down a little bit, the F2. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Xiaomi fan? Do you like Xiaomi phones? Do you guys remember the Poco phone F1 from last year? That phone was pretty cool. You got a lot of bang for your buck for that phone. Or are you a Samsung Knight, rocking your brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra? Do you have S20, S20 Plus, or S20 Ultra? Are you sticking with your Note 10 or Note 10 Plus from last year? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.